In today's tech time, let's see about one of the interesting topic: list comprehension in Python. List comprehension in Python enables creating lists based on the existing ones in a more elegant way and with a shorter syntax than ordinary for loops. List comprehension mainly has three components. For loop, it is mandatory and loops over the given iterable, condition and expression. It is optional and is used to imply some condition over the iterable output. It is mandatory and the variable or expression we provide as output is added to our list. Simple list comprehension versus for loop. First, let's take a look at an example with an ordinary for loop. With list comprehension we can achieve the same result with much less code. List comprehension using if statement. List comprehension with an if statement to create a new list that contains only the even numbers from an existing list. List comprehension with an if-else statement. List comprehension with an if-else statement to create a new list that contains the absolute values of the numbers in an existing list. Dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary from an existing one. When to use list comprehension in Python, we have the following cases: list to filter an existing list, to generate a list of data, flattening a multidimensional list, so we can use list comprehension if we are doing simple filtering, modifications, or a formatting task on some iterative objects. If you have any doubt, comment below, I will answer to it. Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more information.